Hi, today I will have some update about some US stock and also on the index, also S&P. So welcome to my channel. I'm ymchannel. So click like and subscribe and share if you want to learn more about the stock market or if you want to get to financial freedom faster. So this channel, I'm not your financial advisor, by the way. Before you do any trade, please advise with your financial advisor. So I just want to help you because right now so many people get panic about what's going on. One day they go up, the market go up, they go into buy, and then the next day they have big drop and then they sell. So it's quite frustrating. So what we need is like you need to look at the trend first. So I want to show you how to look at the trend. So everyone say try to get to buy the stock in a very, very absolutely low price. But there's very difficult to buy exactly this price, right? Very difficult to buy exactly the lowest price, and also very difficult to sell at the absolute highest price. Almost impossible, I would say. Very difficult. Well, I want to show you something how to trade. So for me, I use a very easy method. Let's say, for example, this is Starbucks. Okay, you can use any kind of stock for the example, but I want to show you. Once you know how to draw the trend line, let's say this one, you have a big drop. So when we enlarge it, we don't know what's going on at the right side. So you just draw a trend line. So let's say you draw a trend line. So let's say you draw a trend line here. Or even you can draw another trend line is here to here. So they have two trend line, okay? So you can buy, even you buy here or even you buy here. It's still fine because you get this up, right? If you buy, let's say you buy here rather than here. Don't look for the lowest one because lowest is 50. You say, oh my God, this is 78 already. It's already very high. Or, oh my God, this is 86. This is not good. Or this is too high, too expensive already. They always compare to the lowest price. But how do you know? What do we need to know is, okay, so here you can see here is a downtrend. So lower high, you can see lower high and lower low. So this is a downtrend, confirmed downtrend. What we need to know is the confirmation of the finish of this downtrend. So which is here or here, right? So you just buy here or here. You still look like a superhero in the end. You see what I mean? So for example, to sell is exactly the same. So to sell, if we draw a trend line here, so you can see you sell here, you still look like superhero. You don't need to sell at 127. If you sell at 117 and you bought, let's say you buy here, right? You buy at 86, you still make a very good profit, I would say. So this is just one example to show you we don't need to buy at the lowest point because no one can guess. What happened is people always tell me, oh my God, today dropped 10%, let's buy. No, don't catch the falling knife. Have you heard of this slang? I mean, it's very true. You never know when is the lowest point. You can tell when is the roughly lowest point. In my workshop, I will also show you how to tell this is the lowest point. But what the easiest, the most comfortable way is to buy here, right? Or to buy when the trend is confirmed this is going up. Or you can look at the moving average also is going up, right? So they have different moving average to tell you the trend. So everyone using different moving average, but as long as you can see it's a higher high and higher low. So you can see higher high, and this is low, this is higher low. This is a confirm of the uptrend. Okay. So we have a saying say when we eat the fish, you don't need to eat the whole fish. You just want to eat the body. You don't want to eat the fish head and fish tail. Which what I want to say is, so let's say this is a fish. This is the head. This is the tail. This is the body. It's good enough when we take 80% comfortably. Very easy way. Do you want to learn this technique? If yes, click like and subscribe and join my email list. I will teach you more about this technique later. So so you can see this is Starbucks. I'm holding this stock also. So you can see I draw a trend line. The downward trend now is finished. Even though we test the level, right? Then we test the trend line. It doesn't break through and then go up. Now we doing another trend line you here. You see the triangle thing? So this is my own indicator to tell you the trend line. But to draw trend line is very essential if you want to do the trading, if you want to invest in the trading market. So I will have a free workshop to teach you that. So join my email list. This is free and I will give you more free information. But I want to give you an idea that we don't need to buy at the lowest point, because when you drop, let's say when they drop up to here, right? When they drop up to here, oh, it is low. How do you know this is low? Unless you learn how to calculate the valuation, okay? Which I've learned also, but it would take you very long time to do it. Because you're not only studying for one company, you will study more than 10 companies to tell when is the lowest point. So it would take a lot of time. So if you can buy and if you save time and then you just take 80% of profit or even 70% of the profit, are you happy with it? I think so, right? So this is Starbucks. So I want to show you other stock. For example, let's say Apple. Apple is also one of my favorite stock. So you can see we have a big uptrend here, right? So when is a good buying timing? Is always are we in the good buying timing now? So I'm not going to answer you here. I'm not your financial advisor, but I want to teach you something. When we is uptrend, so let's say when we are here, you don't know what's going on at the end, right? Let's say we are now here, okay? So, oops. Even here, I can give you a very good example. So you can see here, we draw a trend line. Oh. You can see here, they break through the trend line, you buy in, and also other indicator can tell you this is a good point to buy in, and then you see. So here is around $26. And then when do we sell it? I just draw it roughly, okay? Let's say we sell it at 47. Okay, you don't need to sell it here. You can sell it here. But of course, I have other way to tell you when to, with my method, actually, I will sell around this area, around 54. Okay, of course, you have other way to do, like let's say RSI or the other way, the MACD. We have many indicators to tell you what's going on with the chart. Remember, all the strategy can help you to make money, to make profit, but you just need to learn the strategy. So all the strategy is different. So I have taken some course like they will show you like 10 indicators to tell you the trend, to tell you buy, sell, and you will just exhausted. You will just burn out. So I have a very good way to do this trading with easy method. And every day you just need to spend 15 minutes, let's say. So you can tell the trend when it's a buying time already. So I would say it's pretty good deal. So if you want to learn it, if you want to make your financial freedom faster, join my email list and I will give you some webinar and a course and also my own indicator to tell you when to buy and when to sell. So at this, of course, you have many different ways to tell to do the financial freedom. You can even buy apartment, right? So many different ways. There's many ways to go to the rooms, right? So but trading is one of my favorite because I can travel. I don't need to worry. I used to love property, but just property when you rent out is so much hassle, so much things to do with the tenant. So it's different strategy. I would say property is also one of the good way. Crypto is also make me a lot of money. So everything can make you a fortune. So you just need to have a correct strategy. Do you agree with me? So let me know any other stock you would like me to have a look, and then I will check it for you. So I know some of you want me to check the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now is like this. This is the daily chart. So check my last video on the Bitcoin, which is I like to do because Bitcoin is quite fluctuate. So usually I really highly recommend you use weekly chart or even monthly chart. Okay. So okay, you can see these two lines, right? The orange line and the green line. So basically it's my own indicator. So you don't find it in the public list. So it's my own indicator. So I will give it to my member for free later. So join my email list. So I will give you more free information. Why do I want to help you? Why do I want to do this kind of things? So I have my agenda. I have my secret agenda. So basically, I want to teach a course about trading to help people to have the concept about investment. So and also I see so many friends ask me about the investment thing. They just have no clue about the stock market, and then they just buy in, which is quite, I feel, how to say, always, even you don't join my course, even you don't join my list, it's fine, but at least you need to learn before you join the stock market, because a lot of people lost money. Like me in the beginning, same, I lost money because I did not take any course. So always you learn before you earn. Please take some course. If you really have no time, if you really don't trust Bitcoin, if you really don't trust the stock market, do something else to create your financial freedom, to make a path to financial freedom. Don't do nothing. Some people just do nothing and then they work from 9 to 6 and then tell me, oh, I cannot retire. Oh, I cannot get to financial freedom. Yes, of course, because you never make a good effort. Effort is important, but the choice is even more important. Do you agree? So okay, by the way, the Bitcoin, so you can see the trend line thing is here. So let's see how it goes. We will have a stronger to go up. We don't know, but the moving average. So you can see the moving average, right? So this is weekly chart. So you can see the low. This is weekly chart. So we are now here. So we already have a higher high and higher low. We already have this already. So let me draw you one more trend line. So you can see this. Oh, wow. So too many lines here. So I want to tell you, most likely, actually, the bear market has finished. We are in the wave one of the basically of the bull market. So very, very beginning, I would say. So we will have the pull. Here is a trend line. So you can see here we are in the uptrend already, right? So, but with the historical history, with the history of the Bitcoin like to pull back to the original point of the starting point. So if you look at 2015, okay, just check my last video. I have a very good explanation. So it will go up, 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 and down, and then we will have the wave three. Wave three usually is the longest bull market. So you will be very comfortable to sit on the Bitcoin and then just like a flying carpet to fly you to the financial freedom. But I'm not your advisor. So before you do any trade, advise with your financial advisor. So I see you in the next video, and let me know which stock or which coins you want me to look at. So I see you in the next video. Bye.